Jason called and asked if I could do a bench seat for him. You know, I told him my shop wasn't ready yet and this and that. Yeah, I've done work for him before, as you see in the photos. We did his truck, you know, just before it got painted and stuff. So I didn't want to say no, and so as you can see, I cleared out just enough space in this room that I'll be able to at least get the work done. The interesting part is he ordered one of those pre-sewn by Distinctive Industries. I put on pre-sewn covers before, you know, and they usually turn out good. Alright, so overall, looks pretty quality. They did sewing foam all the way through to get these. So this is going to be a much more quality look and appearance, and that's how I would do it. I'm just going to reuse the headrests because I didn't see any in there. So let's start tearing this thing down. Jason had mentioned that his tracks were sticking, and so I greased them up, and I found, you know, it helped loosen them up a little bit, but we have a little problem with the lever here, and found where it was binding. Before I did any modifying, I noticed in here, this area right here is bent in, which doesn't allow it to clear fully the track. So I'm going to bend this tab back out, and then with the greatest of ease, this will clear, and there should be no binding whatsoever. I know it's hard to tell, but I've bent this tab out. It still locks well, but now it clears by a full 1/4 inch. Alright, so everything's been cleaned. So, right, so just a quick demo of how good these are going to work now. Moving on to the base, and this base is just, it's too far gone. I can't use it. But first we need to go through and stiffen some of these. I'm definitely gonna run a few rods. But I did find some spare vinyl, and this stuff works great for this instance. It has a strong backing, so I will do a vinyl bottom. Redid the foam, so now you can see it's no longer weak here, and it'll add a little firmness, so it'll feel more like a newer seat. And built up the corners like shoulder pads, basically, just to round them out. They had a few wrinkles in them. So just that little bit of foam buildup already took care of that wrinkle problem.